Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. Have continued overcast conditions at the moment, ceilings around 400 feet. Otherwise, expecting a dreary day for today and expecting these low clouds to stick around as we go into tomorrow as well. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we had this low pressure just off the coast that is pumping in the low-level moisture that we're seeing, causing these low clouds, as well as a chance of seeing some drizzle and light rain showers as we go throughout the day today and into our day for tomorrow as well. But otherwise, we have that boundary well off to the west that will be approaching the area as we go into the middle of the week. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have northwesterly winds at the surface and becoming south-southwesterly as we go up through the columns. Fairly light with just a peak wind around 25,000 feet of 18 knots. The freezing level is at 12,400 feet. If we look at the local radar at the moment, all of the shower activity well off the coast with some lightning well off the coast. Not expecting any lightning threat as we go throughout the day today, but we do have a chance of seeing a few showers or light drizzle as we go throughout the day. Look at the current visible satellite. We can see lots of low cloud over the coastal areas through the mid-Atlantic region. And we do expect those to stay locked in as we go throughout the day and continue into our Tuesday. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model as we go throughout the day today, again, expecting just a slight chance to continue of seeing some light drizzle or light rain showers as we go through the day and into the evening. Could see a break in that through the midnight, overnight hours, and then picking back up a chance of some drizzle for the morning hours on our Tuesday and into the morning hours, or late morning hours Tuesday, and then we'll see a slight chance of an afternoon shower for our Tuesday as well, as this little line of showers starts to push in towards the afternoon hours. And then we'll see those chances of precip start to taper off going overnight Tuesday night into Wednesday as that boundary starts to approach from the west. If we zoom out, take a look at the longer term model, again, we'll see this boundary push through the area during the day on Wednesday, but at the moment, expecting dry conditions with this frontal passage. Just a very slight chance of a light sprinkle in the area, but overall expecting things to remain dry for our Wednesday. And then as that boundary pushes through, we'll see high pressure start to build in behind that with a clearer day for our Thursday. And then as we go into Friday, we'll see this tropical-like low off the southeast coast move into the picture with high pressure well to the north, and that's going to funnel some onshore flow back into our area with some slightly breezy conditions, and that's going to pump up some of that low-level moisture again as well, bringing in some more cloud cover and a slight chance of seeing some precip move into the area for the weekend. At the moment, some disagreement with the models, but we'll see a slight chance with that low-level moisture, but a better chance, as you'll see here as we get to the end of the weekend, with the model, at least the GFS model, indicating more precip moving, better chance into the area as we get into the beginning of next week. Take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart as we go throughout the day today, expecting temperatures to climb into the low to mid-60s, expecting a high around 65 this afternoon, with winds out of the northwest generally about 8 to 13 knots, with a few peak gusts up to 15 knots. Then we'll see those winds start to taper off going into the overnight hours, becoming light and variable, and things won't cool down too much with the clouds still locked in the area, expecting a low around 58. We will keep that slight chance of some light rain or drizzle as we go throughout the day and into the beginning of Tuesday, so we have that yellow chance across the board for precip, as well as we have those ceilings below 500 feet at the moment, so we are red for ceilings, and we'll keep that low cloud in the area as we go throughout the day and again into the morning hours Tuesday. We'll also have a chance to see a return of some of the foggy, misty conditions that we saw earlier this morning for our Tuesday morning as well. Tides right now about a half a foot to a foot above normal. If we take a look at the next couple of days, Tuesday, again expecting another cloudy day with a slight chance of some light drizzle early and then a chance of some light rain showers or two during the afternoon. Expecting a high around 69, so we are yellow for precip, and we'll keep those low clouds around with yellow for our reduced ceilings and visibilities. As we go into Tuesday night, expecting another cloudy night with low clouds in the area, so we will be yellow for those reduced ceilings and visibilities, as well as that chance of seeing some fog and mist again for the Wednesday morning hours with a low around 59. As we go into Wednesday, mostly cloudy with a very slight chance of a light rain shower. Again, expecting that frontal patches to be dry and just a slight breeze as that front approaches. Expecting a high around 71, but green across the board for weather risk. Looking at the extended forecast as we go into Thursday, should be the nicest day of the week with some mostly sunny conditions as high pressure builds in behind the boundary that pushes through Wednesday, but otherwise slightly breezy with a high of 69. And then going into the weekend, we'll see clouds start to build back into the area with that onshore flow. Things will become slightly breezy to breezy as we go throughout the weekend with cloudy conditions. And again, we'll have that 10% chance of precip picking up as we go into the middle of the weekend, and as we get better agreement with the models, we'll be fine-tuning that timing for our weekend. But otherwise, expecting fairly seasonable temperatures in the low to mid 60s with lows in the low 50s, upper 40s for the weekend. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.